Alright students, so now we're going to start with our activity 4. In this activity you have to verify BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem, or the Thales theorem. Both means the same thing. For this what you need is you have to draw a sort of a system of a parallel equations in such a manner like this line is parallel to this one, this line is parallel to this one, means this sort of parallel equation system you will draw. Then what you need is you will cut out two strips of triangles. After that you will place the triangle like this. Anywhere consider any parallel line as a base. Suppose if this line I'm considering as a base, then paste it over here like this. Similarly take the another triangle, keep it inverted, and now what was the base for this, that will become tip of the another triangle, and whatever the tip was of another, that becomes the base. Like this you will place it. Then look it very carefully. This parallel line is passing through the triangle like this. Right? What we will do is we will name the triangle respectively. Suppose this vertices I'm giving name Q, R, and this as P. This line which is passing through this parallel system line, which could be easily passed through, I have drawn it. It means it's passing through the triangle, and I'm giving it name P1 and P2 where it touches it. Similarly, this is the parallel line another which is passing through the triangle. I've given it name P4 and P3 respectively. Same thing over here, you will give some another triangle name. The naming which I've used is already given you in your practical, so check it from there. This is the parallel line, this is A3 and A4. After that what you have to do is you have to take a scale and start doing its measurement. Means first of all measure the distance from point P to P1. So I'm measuring this. This distance is mine. P to P1 is 2.9. So write the distance. P to P1 minus 2.9, whatever the parallel system you have made, that will be according to you. Then you have to measure the distance of P to P2. Again I'm measuring it. It is again 2.9. It could be different depending upon which sort of triangle you have cut it out. Then I'm finding P1Q. P1Q is from this point to this distance. That is 3.2. Similarly, P2Q R I have found, that is also 3.2 centimeter. Means this distance is done, sorry, and this distance, and this distance, and this. Similarly, same thing you will repeat for another process. Means you will now find the distance of P3, this point to this point, means this parallel line. Now this is your parallel lines. This. Now this is a parallel line of this parallel line. PP3 distance you will find PP4 distance, then P3Q distance, then P4Q distance. Respectively found all the distance, and you will see, observe is this, that PP1 ratio of PP1 P1Q is equals to PP2 upon P2R. This is your observation after finding all the values. Similarly, you will also find your this PP3 upon P3Q is equals to PP4 upon P4Q. You can easily find it. Like over here, I'm doing only this portion for this part. This value is my 2.9 upon 3.2. This is also 2.9 upon 3.2. So yes, they are equal. So my work is done. Same way you can find out this. Similar process you can repeat for this triangle. What it doing is it's basically showing you that the ratios, when you have two sides of a triangle, this point P1, P2 or P3 or P4 are middle points of the two sides of the triangle, then the third sides, then they are proportional to one another. And the third side becomes parallel, they are proportional to one another. So this is basically verifying my Thales theorem. Same way the activity you will do it and the observations you will write it on the table.